Here I have DOOGEE T20, and today I'm going to show you how to format SD card on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings. Firstly you have to open Files application. Then you have to switch to the SD card here. Tap on three dots and select option storage settings. Then select format, tap format SD card, and after a few seconds SD card will be formatted and ready to be used anew. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.